These are the little things Michael made from Kiwi Crates.
Avery, catch. I want to be on that side. Ha! Thanks,
Avery, what did you have for supper today?
Catch. Egg.
And?
Ham and cheese. Avery, catch. Avery, catch with me.
He had an omelet. And he ate it all really, really fast.
No, slow this down. Go. Then go. Didn't go yet.
Do you want to say anything to Daddy?
Oh, because we got a ball. It's a beach bud. Look at my pet clown, Daddy. Look at our body. Look at the ball, Daddy.
Very good,
Look, I can take off his shell. No, it's not. It's my friend. I got this from the beach. We went to the beach and collected crabs.
Nice.
Like them? Do you, Daddy? Do you? Okay.
What is Michael making? What is this? Shark. Oh, he's friendly.
Hug.
Sure.
Hug.
Michael's been working all evening on all these crafts. And Avery has been working on some stickers.
Hey, Daddy. I'm putting stickers on my pictures. Got my sword for you. Here.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, got it.
I'm a friendly shark.
You look friendly.
Thank you.
Do you do magical tricks? Sure.
Yeah. Abacadabra, make this disappear. Close your eyes. Open your eyes now. Ta-da! I'm missing ta-da. Watch. Close your eyes. Ta-da!
It's back.
What's that? I did it myself. Don't want the magic trick anymore. Okay. Look at my back. Look at my back. My back's bumpy.
Ooh, scary.
It's Bumpy. My name's Bumpy.
Hi, Bumpy.
Hi.
What have you eaten today?
I ate seaweed, squid, seafood, whitefish, and bite. That's all I've eaten.
Yum.
And I ate some seafood. I already said seafood. And I ate some people. No bad people though. They're trying to kill me, so I ate them. You know what to do, Avery, now.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Nice shark.
He is a nice shark, isn't he?
He eats people when they try to kill him. Hey shark, I'm not going to try to kill you here. Hey, can you give me that shark? Thanks, shark. If they try to kill me, I kill them. Yeah, because I hate crabs, so yuck. Blech. Don't eat it, because it's my friend. I hate crabs. I don't eat crabs. I hate them. Yeah, but if you do, my friend will die. And I like my friend. I have sharp teeth, though. I eat people if they try to kill me. But I'm not going to try to kill you. Nice shark, can you grab that? Nice shark, can you get that cup like that? Brown. No, pass it to me.
Can I eat it? Can I eat it? Can I eat my food? Can I eat it?
You just pick it up with your hand.
But it, okay. Yum, 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 yum.
Uh-oh, we ate Michael for lunch. Just his fingers.
Okay, you didn't eat my thumb though.
Uh-oh. 4 fingers gone.